The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is one of those rare creations in the automotive world that feels more like a masterpiece of art than a machine built to move. It represents the vision of Horacio Pagani, the founder of the Italian hypercar manufacturer, who has always believed that a car should not just be fast but should also tell a story, stir emotions, and embody design purity. The Zonda HP Barchetta is the ultimate tribute to the iconic Zonda series, serving as both a farewell and a crown jewel. Introduced in 2017, it was meant to be a personal project for Horacio Pagani himself, a car that reflects his interpretation of timeless design and engineering excellence. Only 3 units were ever made, making it one of the rarest hypercars on the planet, with exclusivity becoming a defining characteristic alongside its breathtaking performance. The Zonda HP Barchetta showcases a unique design that distinguishes it from every other Zonda. The name, Barchetta, is derived from Italian, meaning little boat, a term traditionally used for lightweight and open-top sports cars. True to its name, the car features a roofless body with a dramatically shortened windshield, which gives it an almost vintage racing appearance. Unlike typical hypercars that focus purely on aerodynamic aggression, the HP Barchetta strikes a balance between elegance and raw power. Its blue carbon fiber bodywork is not just for aesthetics but is an integral part of Pagani's obsession with lightweight engineering. The rear wheels are partially covered with carbon fiber fairings, an unusual but distinctive design cue that pays homage to classic race cars. The combination of traditional craftsmanship and futuristic materials makes the HP Barchetta not only a symbol of performance but also of artistic expression. Under the sculpted exterior lies a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter Mercedes-AMG V12 engine, a powertrain that has been the heart of the Zonda series. In the HP Barchetta, this engine is tuned to deliver a staggering 789 horsepower, which translates to blistering performance on the road. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 350 km per hour. What makes the experience even more visceral is the open-top layout that allows the driver and passengers to fully embrace the thunderous roar of the V12 engine. Unlike modern hypercars that rely heavily on hybrid systems and turbocharging, the Zonda HP Barchetta remains a celebration of old-school engineering, offering raw power in its purest form. It uses a 6-speed manual gearbox, which further enhances the analog driving experience, something that is increasingly rare in today's era of dual-clutch automation. The interior of the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta reflects the same dedication to artistry that defines the exterior. Every detail inside the cabin is handcrafted, blending fine leather, polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and wood accents. The seating position is low and immersive, making the driver feel like part of the machine rather than just a passenger in it. The wooden gear lever, a nod to classic sports cars, highlights Pagani's philosophy of blending modern performance with timeless touches. Each component, from the dials to the pedals, feels like it has been meticulously designed not only for function but also as a piece of art. The cockpit serves as a reminder that a car of this stature is more than transportation, it is an intimate experience. Exclusivity is a defining trait of the Zonda HP Barchetta. With only 3 examples built, each unit was customized to reflect the tastes of its owner, making every car truly one of a kind. The rarity and craftsmanship behind this car have pushed its value to extraordinary heights. One of the units was reportedly sold for over $15 million, cementing it as one of the most expensive cars ever produced. This high price is not only because of its performance but also because it represents the culmination of Pagani's design philosophy. It is a symbol of rarity, luxury, and personal passion that cannot be replicated or mass-produced. The legacy of the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta goes beyond numbers and specifications. It represents the pinnacle of what the Zonda lineage stood for, a car that defies trends, focuses on individuality, and dares to be different. While other manufacturers shift towards electrification and digitalization, Pagani remains committed to building cars that engage the senses in ways only mechanical purity can. The HP Barchetta is less about practicality or technological innovation and more about preserving the essence of driving passion in its rawest form. It is a hypercar that bridges the past and present, a reminder that true beauty in automotive design lies in emotion and craftsmanship. Ultimately, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is not just a car but a statement. It encapsulates the ideals of Horacio Pagani, where every detail tells a story of obsession, innovation, and artistry. It is one of those few machines that transcends its category, standing as a piece of rolling sculpture admired by car enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. For many, it marks the perfect farewell to the Zonda name, leaving behind a legacy that will remain unforgettable in the history of hypercars.